here we are, super excited for a quick trip in Dubai. I'm directly starting the video from our Uber. So we landed in Dubai at around 12 p.m. and we are now headed to our hotel, which is the Waldorf Astoria in Palm Jumeirah, and we're just taking in the downtown area right now. And we have entered now the Palm Jumeirah area. So you can start seeing the palm trees and not any high rises as such. They're all, one or two story houses or buildings, and lots of just palm trees all around. And if you see straight ahead, you can see the Atlantis. It is a direct view from when you enter the Palm Jumeirah area. It is directly in front of you. So you can see how well structured it is, and you can take in the entire Atlantis as you approach it. And there we're approaching the Atlantis from the Crescent Road, so which is the main road where all of the hotels on the Palm Jumeirah are located. So this is technically the front side of it, and it's beautiful. It's amazing. And the bridge that you can see on the top, it's all glass covered. In the center, that's actually the presidential suite of the Atlantis. So it took us about 30 to 40 minutes from the airport to head to our hotel. And then this is the new Atlantis Hotel, the Atlantis The Royal. It is a very differently shaped building, and that's what makes it very unique.
Royal
But yeah,
Atlantis.
this is recently come up.
I like the architecture.
And on the other side of the road is this beautiful view of the Gulf, and you can actually see the Burj Al Arab also from afar. And here we are approaching the hotel. We should be just entering from the next right. And they greeted us with some complimentary drinks and snacks while we wait for the check-in. And here is a short room tour. It is one of the best suites that we have stayed in. When you enter, you see this nice small little powder room, and then you can see the amazingly spacious living room right here, and with an amazing view of the Gulf again. So this is a one bedroom suite, and you see the bedroom over here. It's also really huge, very, very spacious, and the balcony extends to this room, to the bedroom. And then you have the clear view of the Gulf. It's not cloudy, or there's no overcast today, so you can see the skyline and then the Burj Al Arab very clearly. There's Yash relaxing as we came into the room. And then let me show you the bathroom. It's again a very huge bathroom with a bathtub in the center, and it connects to the wardrobe as well. There's a his and her sink. This is the standing shower. and then a restroom or a toilet area. And then here is the walk-in closet area. And I wanted to show you all the night view. So here it is, it's pretty lit up. The entire Crescent Road is pretty lit up. And then the Burj Al Arab is also obviously well lit. So yeah, this is what it looks like at night. This is the next day, and we just got done with our breakfast, and I just wanted to show you all. This is where they have the a wide variety of breakfast which is included in your stay. This is the entrance and the restaurant where they serve breakfast every morning from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And now we're headed to the pool area, which also extends into the beach. They have a family pool area and then an adults only pool as well. They provide complimentary water bottles near the pool area and the beach area, and they also have a full bar service. And here they have a small play area for both adults and kids. So when you first enter, here is the family pool. So the kids are allowed in here, and you can also see they have some cabanas and poolside areas that you can reserve if you have like four or more family members. And then from here we make way towards the adult pool area. And this is the back side of the resort, where you have both the pools and then you can actually go towards the beach. Now we're here relaxing by the beach. You don't need to reserve any of these beach beds or sun loungers. You can actually just walk in here, and it's first come first serve. And they have some water slides and things to jump around for the kids in the water. So with this we end our day one in Dubai. An interesting fact about this beach is that they have man-made waves that start and stop at regular intervals.